Hello.
Yes, I'm here, Jason. I want. I'm.
Okay,
I
your
was
turn.
inspired. Yes,
Tell us
I'm
something,
inspired.
what you can do to help us.
Okay, okay. Let me share my screen. Okay, let me create the green button. Okay, share my entire screen. Share. Okay. Howard can Jason can see my screen now.
It's coming.
It's
No,
coming.
Okay.
Okay.
no, you are sharing our meeting
Yes.
screen, not
Yeah. Yeah.
your
Yeah. Yeah.
PPT
Okay.
screen.
Okay.
Oh
Okay.
yeah.
My presentation is not a not a PPT or slide on or the other type. Okay. I'm using that's it notebook system. Yes. AI notebook system. As
It's no
okay.
Chinese now.
Please help me to translate into English. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm inspired by you, Jason. Just as you share your presentation, yes, I building my ontology and I'm trying to build myself digital by self improve, self growth. So I trying to use I trying to use notebook system to organize my everything every day. My yes, okay. Just as you said, ontology. I build my ontology as you see this on the screen because I'm a Chinese, so I use the Chinese Chinese character. So forget it. Okay, I used ontology to build my personal digital profile. And why I do that? Because when I read or trying to doing something, I think I should take my own profile, my characteristic, my ability, my knowledge, and my vision. Yes, as you see it on the screen, my vision. Yes, my profile, my description schema. Yes, I'm trying to use my profile to read, to do something, to solve the problem, to reading something, and AI know what who am I and what is my character, what is my preference, so she can give me the result as I as I expect. Yes. Okay. So how can I what will do the next when I have my personal ontology? Uh, I said at I forgot it's MIT or Oxford. They have a program. It's a open source program named Protege. Yes, I can use this ontology file to import. Then I have my yes is launching now. Yes, he can really build my ontology relationship. The, the map will show it, and then he can export to do the next deeper or further AI data. Yes, just like here. I let me show. Okay, ontology. Oh, I deleted it. Anyway, okay, just like here, and you will see the software will paint it, will draw it as a relationship map. Okay, so so it's a very different format. So I write a prompt just as the email that I replied. Uh, if we have a lot of materials stored on our computer and share on X, we will collect them together. But what is a net and how to express and how to deal with it? I think the prompt, the structure is very suitable for compact these materials into something very structural. And he can use for further. Okay, I need to translate into Chinese. Okay, all right.
You just tell us the general principles. I don't think we can get into the details of the programming itself. But I can see from your screen that you're based on Gemini, right? Not ChatGPT.
It based on Gemini 2.5 and the latest
So
model.
that is offering from Google, right?
Yes, Google
Not
Gemini
OpenAI.
and OpenAI GPT modeled and crowd. Yes, yes.
Oh,
Okay.
Cloud as
So,
well. Okay.
yeah, yes. As you when you send me the
Sexual
book
cosmos.
from Howard, yes, I will put into the software then, and I organize it in one place and install the older data on my Mac. So I will never lose my data, and it will back up on my NAS. And when I was young, and when I was 30 years old, I imagined if I died, what will I leave for my family? Yes, that's 30 years old story. Yes, then I think I should be the circle of the not just family, the whole family, my father, my grandfather, and my children, and I should be the change of the family, and I should I save the wisdom from my father, my grandfather, and I should do is to save my self's wisdom and storage this data, this wisdom, this note or any other type of the wisdom. Yes, and backup and save, and maybe in the next year era it should be AGI or something robot style and pass the wisdom to my children. Yes, this my thinking. I didn't note Brom Howard before Jason sent the document to me. So when I reading to your book, I will call someone. For example, I call someone Howard. Okay, Brom. Okay, I will call you to read, call the author read beside me, and I can talk with you based on your characteristic. Yes. Okay, I will translate into English. You can see it just for a moment. Okay. Let me
So the function is you use this book as the base
not
to have a virtual Howard to join your discussion in your group. Is that
yeah,
correct?
yes, not just based on this book, and also include something on the internet. Okay.
On the internet, you do the search of Howard comprehensively.
Yes, into English. Okay, you can see it. Okay.
Roundtable guest.
I am roundtable guest. Yeah. Characteristic background. Yes, Howard lives in 21st century and there is information explosion and rapid technological advancement. He grew up what based information and physical characteristics. Yes, and personal trails, background experience. Yes, Okay, achievement contributions. Yes. So if I call you here, and I will set you as my roundtable guest, and let's talk about the book. Okay. So I can call you here. Then you say, aha, the book, a fantastic topic indeed. Yes. Okay, the universe is. So if I put a lot of your data here, and here names the same names sexual what okay, 性感宇宙 okay. So I will talk
Spectral
with you,
cosmos.
explore the topic with you, and reading the book as you seem here, and I can call here and do something anyway, anything. Okay, this my share, and the second one is the prompt can do a lot of things here for us, on especially so especially related to that project. Yes, I just write something. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, as you see the screen, I just summarize the Get Ready to Die project information, the briefing things, and write something I want, and I just write a prompt, agent prompt, to do something for us, especially as Howard mentioned. You will search, do some research, or search to collect lots of things, a lot of data from the internet. Maybe you published before, so I can do it like this.
There are roughly 500 to 600 videos of me on the internet, on YouTube. It might be more.
Okay. Maybe more. Okay. OK，请按照系统提示词执行。OK， so you can see it could do something as I guide him in session prompt. He will list what I want, and he will do it one by one for me. And when he finished, okay, continue, and use English for his response. Okay, and when he finished, he will save the materials when he doing, and when he collect, and summary it to save on my laptop. Okay, so the main point of my main point is, if we want to compact our mountains of materials, maybe we should find a strategy and structure, and to do it. The structure is the prompt. Okay, the strategy may be something template, maybe something the workflow. Okay, and then we can get this 300, and if we do further, and we can use our main synology, philosophy. Yes, use our philosophy and our method, our method, 方法论 Jason.
Methodology.
Yeah, a methodology. Yes, methodology, and use this to prompt, write a prompt, and the prompt will guide maybe lots of people to use your methodology to get something valued in their field. Yes. So this is my main point. So what I can do is do something, yes, technical work, or something I can do for you all amazing guys. Okay, that's all, Jason.
Okay, so sounds like your work needs to be connected with Ryan Ding's work as soon as possible, so perhaps they can support each other. What do you think, Howard?
Sounds like a good idea, but I'm having trouble following you, Leo, because of the language problem.
Yes.
But so my sense of what you were saying is that you can set this Gemini program up so that when you're reading my book, you can have conversations about the book with what the Gemini thinks is me. Is that correct?
Yes. When I reading your book, you as an author, I can chat with you. He will act as
Leo's company, Howard, Leo's company, they developed a platform. It's like a note editor. It's like a note organizer. So my understanding is he can create a Howard Bloom inside his notebook. And whenever he's trying to discuss an issue, he can pull out the information about you, and everything is done above the Gemini model. So there are links towards the internet, towards your sources, and towards the books as well, so that some agent of you can be presented in his round table within his note-taking software platform. That's my understanding.
Right.
Yes. Let me explain more further. Okay. As you just said, the agent Gemini can do collection work for me, and when I collection my published materials before, then I can store it. And when I use the software, it just like the notebook, and it has a AI system, AI models underground, and when I use it for sometimes, and my most of my materials will stored on my laptop, and if the laptop the software will act as you do it, because when you interact the materials, you write something, you talk something, and you every day mark down something, and it will act and sing as you like. So you don't need to train some agent, some AI as you. The notebook you write down, the AI is here, and the material is here. The notebook, the software, the data is you. This is what I doing.
Sounds very good if you can have a conversation with the book or with the
Yes.
author this way.
Yes, and in the future, if we develop API, and when the API